Dylan. I've been playing around with some bird-inspired dance moves, which I'm going to teach you guys. So just basically follow along. I'm going to just be dancing, still searching, playing around. So I'm going to try and teach what I find. So just come dance. Imagining I have wings, I'm lifting from my shoulders, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hand.
You make me feel so good inside. I could have died. Instead I cried. One tear for the feeling given to me. Could I
Second in the head.
baby?
See how bird works?
Could I?
Are you a pigeon? Are you a cow? Bring back the arms. You can also have little wings if you want.
Close the door and come on in. I got in the right
So you have big wings, little wings, head.
between the guy and the girl I need with her. Getting closer, come on over. I can feel the heat of your breath exposure. Take a second and just settle in. Feels so good to have love seconding.
Curve under.
We can get high.
So you can feel like floating.
Get lost into my arms as I am closing. My love.
So we have flapping. We have little arms. We have head.
You make me feel so good
Go anywhere.
inside. I could have died.
We have our
Instead
floating.
I cried. One tear for the feeling given to me.
Mini circles.
Could I turn the favor, baby? Could I?
We can do little feathers. And we can
Could I? Could I? Could I? Could I?
So what I'm doing is playing around with So that song is called Icarus. Icarus is a story of a guy who flies too close to the sun, tries to make bird wings. It doesn't end well for him, but it ends better for us, I hope. We find any movements. Things I'm using for this are like styles like waving, things in hip hop. But the main idea is just having an image in your head and seeing how your body can adapt to it. So this is how I like to dance. If you guys want to practice, please do. Maybe you can send in some videos or whatever, show us what you're doing with this. I'm also going to be teaching maybe some choreos and stuff for Halloween and just sharing what I do. So I hope you enjoy dancing with me. Hope you feel a bit warmer, a bit lighter, a bit happier. Thank you guys.